How to recover deleted contacts from Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the contacts application on your device. As you do that, what you simply need to do is just go back and tap on the organize option at the bottom right of the screen. When you tap on organize, you can just scroll down and here you can see the options of trash. So you can see recently deleted Google account contacts over here. So here you can see all the contact that has been deleted. So you can just make a long press and then tap on three dotted lines and then tap on recover. So let's just recover over here. And in this way, you can recover your deleted contact from Android phone for other contacts as well. So next what you can do is simply tap on settings. Scroll down to undo changes over here if you have recently deleted it. So as you do that, here you can select the account and then tap on undo changes from what time frame, like 1 week ago, yesterday, 1 hour ago, 10 minutes ago, or some custom size. So I'm going to select on 1 week ago and then tap on confirm. So just tap on OK and it will be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.